Okay, so this video is just going to be a quick discussion and demonstration of the ways in which three planes can be arranged in three-dimensional space. So the first example is when all three planes are parallel to each other. So that will look something like this. They will never cross. We can see as this turns around, they never cross. They're all arranged sort of one on top of the other or next to each other, same direction, and they never cross. That's one possibility. Another possibility is that two of them are parallel, but that the third one actually crosses both of them. Okay, and if that third one is not parallel, it will cross both because the planes will extend infinitely into the space on either side. This obviously that I've got on the screen here is just a snapshot, but we can see that that blue plane crosses the purple one and it crosses the orange one, even though the purple and orange are still parallel to each other. Okay, so that's another possibility. Then we could have the situation in which none of the planes are parallel. Okay, so if we just have two, then two planes will always cross like this. Two planes will either be parallel or they will cross in a straight line. So you can see that the purple and the blue planes there intersect along a straight line. And now the third plane either could come in like this. You can see they are all three intersecting at one point. So that orange plane crosses the blue plane in a straight line. It crosses the purple plane in a straight line. But all three planes only meet at that point there. Okay, so that's one possibility. They all intersect at a unique point. Right, that was our third possibility. The fourth possibility is that they cross along a line. So you see I've now added this purple plane, and the purple, the blue and the orange are all intersecting along that same straight line. So we'll kind of turn this around a bit so you can see it from different angles. But they're all intersecting along the same straight line. Okay, and that's called a sheaf. And the reason why it's called a sheaf is because it looks kind of like a sheaf of paper, I guess, or a sheaf of wheat or something like that, all intersecting along one straight line there. Okay, it kind of can be spread out more evenly or they can be bunched together, but so long as they're intersecting all along a straight line, then it is a sheaf. Okay. All right, the final possibility is that the third plane comes along and crosses like this. So you can see that they all intersect each other in different lines. So this is what we call a triangular prism, because if we look at it from one certain end, we can kind of see a triangular prism coming there, right? And that just means that each plane intersects the other two along a straight line, but those straight lines are not coincident. Okay, so those are all the five possibilities. There are three parallel, two parallel and the other one cuts it. They intersect in a single point. They intersect along a line, which is called a sheaf, or they don't intersect at all, and that's called a triangular prism.